welcome back to ASHTOBERFEST. If this is your first time here, my name's Ashley and ASHTOBERFEST is my Halloween series where I upload every other day in the month of October and I do a new Halloween costume makeup look tutorial for you guys. This is my 4th year doing ASHTOBERFEST and it's been super fun. This is my favorite year yet. So whether you're joining me years from now in the future or if you're here in 2019 when I'm uploading, I'm so happy you're here. This year is the best yet. I'm doing a giveaway with every single look, so be sure to check out the description box so you can see how to enter. I'm giving away so much stuff. I can't wait for you guys to get it all. Don't forget to enter. You can enter 3 times a day. I'll leave it in the description box for you. There's also a ton of cool ASHTOBERFEST 4 merch this year. I would love if you guys checked it out. Everything you need to know is in the description box, so just check that for every video if you're interested. Today's look, if you couldn't tell already, is Tiffany, Chucky's bride. One of my favorite characters of all time, and I don't know why I haven't done her yet. I feel like I get requested to do Tiffany every single year, and I've just never done it. I don't know why, but anyways, here we are now. We're doing it. There's a fly in here. It's driving me crazy. Anyways, so happy you're here. I cannot wait to show you guys this tutorial. And as always, if you're interested in any of the makeup that I use for this tutorial, the wig, coupon codes, costume, I will leave everything linked down below, so be sure to check it out. I also have my ASHTOBERFEST playlist linked down below if you want to see years past the costumes that I've done, although I don't really recommend going back too far because year 1 and 2, I've just improved a lot since those times, so it's crazy what practice can do, am I right? So here we are. I feel like this year is the best yet. I cannot wait for you guys to see all these looks, and I'm gonna stop chatting your ear off. Let's go ahead and get into this Tiffany tutorial, and welcome to ASHTOBERFEST. So for this look, I put in my green contacts. These are green by Desio. I will link them down below. I'm actually going to do my eyes first for this look because there's probably going to be a lot of fallout. And my eyes are so sensitive with these contacts in to the light. First, I'm just going to prime using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eye Primer. So I'm actually going to be taking the Impulsive palette by Melt, and I'm just going to use the shade Boss Lady to start with. We'll see where it goes. Before we get into the eyeshadow, I want to say it's always nice to keep a reference picture, so I just googled Tiffany Chucky, and this is what I chose. This is like the highest def picture I could find of her makeup, so I'm going to go off that. Starting off, I'm just going to pack this onto the lid. Seems to have like a very aggressive dark purpley smoky eye, so that's what we're doing. So once I have the pigment packed on, I'm gonna go ahead and just blend upwards to my brow just to kind of diffuse those edges and give it a smokier effect. Next, I'm going to take 2 AM by Sugar Pill. This is just a purple eyeshadow, and I'm going to diffuse this around the edges just to give it a little bit more of a purple vibe. Next for eyes, I'm just going to do a quick little wing liner. I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Perversion liquid liner. I know I'm kind of jumping around a little bit, but I'm going to do my face and then I'll do my brows and my lower lash line just because I find it's easiest that way. I'm not going to have a ton of fallout on my foundation now. I'm actually going to be taking 2 foundations. I'm going to be taking the Stay Naked foundation, and I'm also going to mix it with the Born This Way because I feel like Tiffany's kind of pale and this is my lightest foundation. I'm going to take the Stay Naked first. So just to brighten it up a little bit, I'm going to add Cloud from my Too Faced Born This Way and blend it out. For concealer, I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Concealer. This is in the shade NW22. I actually love the way this concealer blends out over this foundation. And before that has a chance to crease, I'm going to go ahead and take some translucent powder and just sweep underneath the eyes. Not that it actually matters because I'm going to be smoking out dark purple eyeshadow. Might as well set the rest of my face while we're here. To contour, I'm going to be taking my old Makeup Geek Breakup Contour. This is just a cool toned contour. So I'm just placing this on the usual spots in my face, but I'm actually going to do some heavy contour up on my forehead because I am going to be wearing a wig that parts in the middle. For blush, I'm going to be using Buxom's Wanderlust blush in the shade Dolly, kind of a purpley pink. And while we're here, why not highlight? I know it's a doll, but I'm going to be using the OFRA Rodeo Drive, which is right here, highlighter, and I do have a discount code. If you're interested, I always link them down below. I'm gonna apply this to the high points of my face. Okay, so for brows, I know Tiffany has really thin, really like brows, but for me, brow cover is not something I'm very good at. I need a lot more practice with it. I can do it for looks when I'm not going to be drawing an eyebrow over top, but I'm just not the best at it. So for me, what's going to make this look the best is to just use my natural brow and do them dark. So I'm going to be taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow in the shade Granite. I have not used Dipbrow in so long. Here we go. Okay, done. So next I'm going to go ahead and finish up the lower lash line. I'm going to line using a black liner. For me, that's going to be Zero by Urban Decay. I'm going to go ahead and blend this out using that Boss Lady shade from the Impulsive palette. And I'm also going to blend it out. Dipping in a little bit more to that shade because I want it to kind of smoke out a little bit more than I'm able to do without adding more pigment, because my girl Tiffany here had the smokiest of smoky eyes. Also going to take a little bit of that Sugar Pill 2 AM and just blend that over top. Alright, eyes are done. I'm going to go ahead and add lashes and mascara. The lashes I'm going to use today are Nirvana by Rouge and Rogue. I also have a discount code for them. It is ASH if you want to save some coin off your lash purchase. I'm going to go ahead and apply these off camera to save some time, and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are done. I'm going to go ahead and finish up with the lips. It looks like she mostly has a black lip. I'm actually going to take Trust Issues by Anastasia, and I'm going to kind of blur it out around the lip line. Next I'm going to use Fenty's Uninvited liquid lipstick, just a black liquid lipstick. And once that's dried, I'm going to go ahead and blend just a little bit more purple. So that's it for the face. I am going to be contouring my boobs because she's got big ones and I do not. So hopefully you can see this is really easy. Just want to draw a boob. And my boobs are uneven, clearly. I'm just going to take a brush first and kind of blend them out. Gonna have to even these out though. So you're basically left with something like this, and then when I put on my actual bra and everything, they will sit up a little bit more. Now she has a tattoo on her boob that says Chucky. I'm gonna attempt to do that, but my dress actually is cut a little bit different, so it's gonna be a little bit smaller. I'm just gonna be taking some red body paint. Mine's gonna look so tiny compared to hers. Did I put the Y the right way? Okay, good. Okay, that's gonna have to be good enough because I'm too scared to mess it up. I'm pretty sure her tattoo has a knife going through it, but there's just no way. Alright, so I'm gonna let that dry. So that's actually it for the makeup. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my wig. So this is my wig for this look. I will link it down below. It's straight. I should brush it actually. It is very straight. I love it. I love the dark root. I feel like this wig is a little flat for this look. I might see what this looks like. It's kind of cute. I think I like that. Alright, so this is the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the costume. So in the movie, Tiffany is wearing a white dress. I didn't want to go out and buy a white dress, so I'm gonna use a dress I already own. This is by Vanessa Mooney, and I believe it's called the Elizabeth dress. I also have to tell you guys this dress, first of all, I can't zip it. Second, it's so uncomfortable. I can't lie, this dress is uncomfortable. I can't breathe. It's very tight. I'm wearing a size extra small. And it actually doesn't fit my boobs. Like the boob part is way too big, the arm part is way too big, but around my waist it hurts, like I cannot breathe. And then the bottom is big, so I'm a little confused on the sizing. But anyways, it's a cute dress. I'm also wearing some ripped up fishnet stockings, and I'm gonna be wearing my Doc Marten Jagger boots. Doc Martens are a perfect shoe for this look because it's pretty similar to what she wears in the movie. She also wears a black leather jacket, so that's what I'm wearing here. My jacket is from All Saints. Don't feel the need to run out and buy an expensive jacket for this costume. Obviously, just go to a thrift store or wear whatever you have in your closet. It's all gonna work out perfectly. And that is pretty much it for this Tiffany look. She's super easy to recreate. You could wear anything that you have laying around in your closet, your mom's closet, your grandma's closet. Someone's got to have something for this look. So I hope having me here to show you how I would dress Tiffany helps out a little bit. And as always, I will link everything down below. Okay, costume done. This is the finished look. I actually kind of want to dye my hair like this now. My hairdresser will not be excited once I say I want black roots. No, no. I feel like I could contour this a little bit more. There's a fly in here. Are you kidding? Anyways, you could contour your boobs a little bit more, or just wear a push-up bra. My boobs are saggy, so they're not staying up, especially in a strapless bra. This dress that I'm wearing is not very supportive. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. It's one of my favorites. I think it's so cute and fun. I love the Chucky movies. I love Tiffany. As always, I'm going to leave every piece to this costume down below so you guys can check out everything for yourself if you're interested or if you want to be her for Halloween. Don't forget, you can always pull your own pieces. You can go to a thrift store and find a jacket and a dress. You don't need to go out and buy these items. This is my forever leather jacket that I've always had, so please don't feel like you need to run out and buy this. It's very expensive. Obviously, any jacket and any dress is gonna work. She wore a wedding dress and I just made whatever dress I had in my closet work for it. So hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to enter today's giveaway. I leave all that information in the description box down below. Other things you'll find in the description box besides the list of every product is the link to my ASHTOBERFEST 4 merch. I would love if you guys checked it out. It's so cool this year. I really hope you guys like it. Don't forget to tag me in your pictures on Instagram, by the way, if you're wearing ASHTOBERFEST merch. I love sharing you guys on my stories. So be sure to tag me in the actual photo or in the story so I can share it. And I think that's going to be it for me. So I will see you guys the day after tomorrow. Bye!